All right, so today I'm making these crispy potato pancakes, and I love the way these look and the way they smell. I'm just super excited about them. So what I did to make these is I had some russet potatoes that I had to use up because they were starting to sprout. And so I went ahead and peeled those, chopped them into cubes. I did about 6 small potatoes, and then I did half an onion. And then I also added 2 eggs, I added some potato starch, and then I added some fresh herbs that I had. So I added some cilantro and some parsley to this as well. And then there's some shallot in there. So all I'm doing to make this, I added all that stuff to this food processor, and then I just processed it until it's mostly smooth, just like that. And then I take, this is a 1/2 cup measure, and I just go in on this skillet, a 1/4 cup per fritter that I'm making here, and I'm just gonna pour them out onto the griddle and flatten those out. And you want to spread them out so that they cook through, because everything is raw in there right now. Okay. Beautiful. There we go. All right. And the smell that these create is just amazing. I wish I could show that over the film, but it's just a really nice combination of the potato and the onion, and then those fresh herbs and the garlic in there, just cooking up really nicely. Now let's see if this one is ready. You have to be really careful when you flip these because they tend to stick. Okay, nice. That looks pretty good. There, look at that. Just get such a beautiful golden crust on it. That's exactly what I want. And then we'll be serving this for lunch along with a really nice side salad.
Bye!